When it comes to futuristic, energy-efficient, and disaster-resilient architecture, few designs stand out like dome houses. With their rounded, organic shape, dome homes are more than just visually unique. They're a smart solution to modern housing challenges. Dome houses are based on the principle of geodesic geometry, originally popularized by architect Buckminster Fuller in the 20th century. Their curved structure distributes stress evenly, making them incredibly strong, able to withstand earthquakes, hurricanes, and even heavy snow loads better than traditional rectangular homes. Some dome houses have even survived natural disasters that leveled everything else around them. But strength isn't their only advantage. The aerodynamic shape allows for better airflow and temperature regulation, reducing heating and cooling costs. The design also uses up to 40% less building materials than conventional homes of similar size, making them more affordable and eco-friendly. Construction methods vary. Some use prefabricated panels or inflatable forms with sprayed concrete, while others rely on earthbag or monolithic dome techniques. Many dome homes are off-grid, incorporating solar panels, rainwater harvesting, and green roofs. From desert landscapes to polar regions, dome homes are showing up all around the world. They're used for private residences, eco-resorts, emergency shelters, and even schools. Their low maintenance and longevity make them ideal for sustainable living. In a world facing climate change, rising construction costs, and housing shortages, dome houses represent not just a cool design, but a forward-thinking construction revolution. What if the future of concrete reinforcement wasn't traditional rebar, but thousands of tiny, twisted reinforcements? That's the idea behind Helix Steel Micro Rebar, a groundbreaking material transforming how we build stronger, more resilient structures. Helix Micro Rebar is a small, twisted steel reinforcement, typically only about an inch long. Unlike traditional rebar that must be placed manually, Helix is mixed directly into the concrete, creating a three-dimensional reinforcement network throughout the entire slab, column, or wall. So why does this matter? First, strength and durability. These micro rebars increase concrete's tensile strength, crack resistance, and structural ductility. In simple terms, concrete reinforced with Helix bends and flexes more before breaking, making it ideal for everything from industrial floors and precast panels to bridges and military bunkers. Second, speed and efficiency, because it eliminates or reduces the need for rebar cages. And mesh, Helix cuts down on labor time, project delays, and construction complexity. Crews can pour and finish concrete faster, which is a game-changer on large-scale jobs. Third, sustainability. Using Helix can lower the total amount of concrete and steel needed, reducing the structure's carbon footprint while maintaining or improving performance. Approved by ACI and ICC standards and used in projects across the US and globally, Helix Micro Rebar isn't just a supplement, it's redefining the reinforcement process. It's been used in highways, data centers, residential homes, and even high-security facilities where toughness is critical. Helix Steel Micro Rebar isn't just a product. It's a revolution in modern construction, bringing strength, speed, and smarter design to every pore. Imagine living beneath a blanket of nature, where your home becomes part of the landscape itself. Welcome to the world of Green Magic Homes, an innovative construction solution that blends sustainability, design, and eco-conscious living like never before. Green Magic Homes are modular, prefabricated housing systems designed to be covered with soil and vegetation. Think hobbit houses, but reimagined for the modern world. Each structure is made from lightweight, fiber-reinforced polymer composite panels, which are waterproof, weather-resistant, and engineered for strength. These panels lock together quickly without the need for heavy machinery or concrete foundations. Once assembled, the exterior is covered with soil, grass, or even full gardens, making the homes look like they sprouted right out of the earth. This not only creates stunning natural aesthetics, it also provides thermal insulation, significantly reducing heating and cooling needs. The result? Lower energy consumption and year-round comfort in almost any climate. But it's not just about energy efficiency. Green Magic Homes are also modular and customizable. From cozy single-bedroom layouts to larger multi-room dwellings, the design possibilities are nearly endless. Add skylights, domes, tunnels, or even green roofs that support solar panels and rainwater systems. They're also quick to install. A small home can be assembled in just a few days. And because they use minimal invasive construction methods, they preserve the land and reduce environmental impact. Perfect for eco-resorts, off-grid living, disaster recovery zones, or anyone dreaming of a sustainable lifestyle. Green Magic Homes are reshaping how we think about building and living. They're not just homes. They're a harmonious fusion of architecture and nature, built for the future. Meet the Smart Slab, a revolutionary leap in construction that merges digital design, advanced materials, and robotic fabrication to rethink how concrete structures are built. Smart Slab is an ultra-lightweight, geometrically optimized concrete ceiling panel developed by ETH Zurich's Digital Building Technologies. Unlike traditional flat slabs, Smart Slab is designed using parametric modeling and 3D printing, resulting in a structure that's both material efficient and visually stunning. Here's how it works. A formwork mold is 3D, printed using sand and a binder, forming intricate patterns and structural geometries that would be nearly impossible with conventional methods. Then, concrete is poured into this mold to create the final slab. The result is a panel that's not only structurally sound, but also uses up to 70% less material than traditional slabs. But Smart Slab isn't just about aesthetics. It's smart by name and by nature. It integrates acoustic, performance, mechanical strength, and thermal behavior, all tailored to the building's specific needs. And thanks to robotic precision, each unit is uniquely optimized for its position in the structure. Smart Slab proves that construction doesn't have to be wasteful or repetitive. It's a futuristic blend of engineering, architecture, and digital fabrication, turning ceilings into sculptural, sustainable works of art. In a world where mobility, sustainability, and smart design are more important than ever, the Nomad Cube offers a bold new vision for modern living. This is not just a tiny house. It's a fully self-contained, off-grid micro-home that redefines what it means to live small, smart, and free. The Nomad Cube is a modular, transportable living unit built for people who crave independence without sacrificing comfort. Measuring just a few square meters, it's compact on the outside but ingeniously designed on the inside, with multifunctional spaces that include a sleeping area, kitchen, bathroom, and even smart storage solutions. But the real magic lies in its off-grid capabilities. The Cube can be equipped with solar panels, a battery storage system, rainwater harvesting, and gray water recycling, making it ideal for remote locations or eco-conscious users who want to reduce their environmental footprint. With proper setup, it can operate completely, autonomously, no matter where you park it. The structure is made from high-performance materials that are both lightweight and durable, ensuring insulation, weather resistance, and longevity. Plus, the modular design allows it to be easily shipped, set up, or expanded with additional units over time. Whether it's used as a tiny home, a mobile office, a disaster relief unit, or an eco-cabin in the wilderness, the Nomad Cube stands as a symbol of freedom, sustainability, and next-gen design. In a world that's constantly on the move, the Nomad Cube makes sure your home can keep up with zero compromise. Say hello to the DokaXbot Lift, an advanced robotic solution that's changing the way we build high-rise structures. Developed by Doka, a global leader in formwork and scaffolding, the DokaXbot Lift automates the installation of formwork panels on tall buildings, making construction safer, faster, and smarter. Mounted on the core of the building, this robotic system climbs with the structure as it rises. Its key role? To accurately place and secure formwork panels, the molds that shape concrete, at heights where traditional work would be both time-consuming and dangerous. Using precise sensors, laser scanning, and robotic arms, DokaXbot lifts, aligns, and installs each panel with millimeter-level accuracy. The benefits are massive. It reduces reliance on manual labor at extreme heights, significantly enhancing worker safety. It also accelerates build times, cuts down labor costs, and delivers consistent formwork quality from one floor to the next. Even better, DokaXbot can operate around the clock in a variety of weather conditions, helping to keep construction timelines on track, even when conditions are less than ideal. It's also a key response to the growing shortage of skilled labor in construction. The DokaXbot Lift isn't just a tool. It's a pioneering step toward fully robotized construction sites, where safety, precision, and efficiency go hand in hand.